The Great Kiskadee. In this video, you'll learn about the habitat, appearance, diet, and nest qualities of the Great Kiskadee. The scientific name of the Great Kiskadee is Patangus sulphuretus. The Great Kiskadee can be found in shrubby areas, near clearings, or bodies of water. It can also be found on exposed perches. The Great Kiskadee loves to live in the areas located on the globe in green. The appearance of the Great Kiskadee. The Great Kiskadee is a large flycatcher with bright yellow underparts, a black and white striped crown, a black mask, and a body length that measures 24 centimeters. The diet of the Great Kiskadee consists of snakes, grasshoppers, lizards, wasps, small fish, tadpoles, small fruits, and even bats. The nest of the Great Kiskadee is shaped in a dome shape. It starts off as a cup nest that it later forms into a dome shape. The clutch size of the Great Kiskadee is 2 to 6 eggs, and the Great Kiskadee will make a nest between 1 and 2 times a year. The male and the female build the nest together in the fork of a tree or on a pole. Now let's take a closer look at the Great Kiskadee.